Namaskar and good evening. Today we will deal with a company called INDIABULLS Ventures Limited, which has been producing really surprising results. But still, the stock price is going down. We do not know what will be its future. Let us see how what they say about it. So, INDIABULLS Ventures is in the finance and investment sector. The current market capitalization is around 12,000 crores. The company management is headed by Samir Gehlaut, non-executive chairman, Divyesh B. Shah, whole-time director and CEO. Now, the business model is slightly peculiar. The business model is that they will originate the loans. They will give the loans. They will find out people to whom they have to give the loans, and then after some time they will sell the loans to third parties. The company's focus is to build a non-balance sheet business based on fee income. So they are not going to retain the loans. They give the loans, but they won't retain the loans. They will sell it to third parties, like ICICI Bank and others. So they generally there is no need of additional equity capital for growth in the customer base for origination of loans and the fee income. The customers base is presently around 19.1 lakhs. In Q1, the quarterly loan booking was 3,159 crores. The average number of products sold per customer is 1.81. Every loan counts as one. There are other small products also. Now they say they want to impact maximum number of lives by providing them with wide access to financial services through use of technology. So they are building technological products for giving the loans, and by putting in trust in our customers. They have served over around 2 million customers so far since the start of their business in 2017, and they aspire to serve now 2 million customers now, but they want to serve 10 million customers by 2020 and 100 million customers by 2023. They've got an active direct marketing strategy app called Dhani, which is one of the top 10 fintech apps in the world in 2018. Now they give us some statistical information about the way they want to go about giving these loans. The working population of in India is expected to rise to 700 million. Only 4.5 million, only 4.5% of the 700 million working population have taken personal loans. So there is a huge opportunity for growth. 4.5 means there is a 95.5% working population have not taken any personal loans. That is the space for growth. The CAGR for personal loans market is around 27%, and it is expected to rise to 10x in the next 10 years. The number of individual serviced will rise to 10x. Now that is for individuals. Individual loan markets, they say it is very attractive. Likewise, the MSME sector. Now, according to an estimate, there are 51 million enterprises in the MSME sector. It contributes 37.5% for the country's GDP, but the loan allocation, financial systems credit allocation is only 4%. So there is a huge opportunity for giving loans to the MSME sector. Now the GST Act, Goods and Service Act of 2017, all SMEs with a turnover of 4 million must file mandatorily their GST returns. So that is happening now. So this compulsory filing of GST returns is expected to be a catalyst for growth of lending to the SMEs. Government also is putting emphasis on lending to the SMEs. Now, INDIABULLS Consumer Finance Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of INDIABULLS Ventures. It has disbursed 9.2 lakh loans during the quarter ending June 2009 as compared to half of it during the quarter ending June March 2019. And 0.6 lakh loans only was disbursed in June 2018. So there is a huge quarter-on-quarter growth of 88% and year-on-year growth of 1,384% in giving of loans by Indian this consumer finance company, INDIABULLS Consumer Finance Company. Now let us take a look at the results now. So they are projecting a good future. So that is what we understand. The net sales are 710 crores compared to previous quarter 599 crores and compared to year ago quarter 345 crores. Now year on year growth is 106% and quarter on quarter growth is 18.46%. Profit before tax is 169.7 crores in Q1 this year and 151 only in previous quarter and 121 only in last year same quarter. So the growth in profit before tax is 40% year on year and 12.5% quarter on quarter. Now net profit if you take after tax, it is 122 crores compared to 111 crores in the previous quarter and 88 crores in the year ago quarter. So net profit has grown by 39%. See, net sales have grown by 106% year on year, but net profit has grown only 39%. But of course, 39% also is reasonably attractive. Now equity is around 113 crores. So the basic EPS is 1.84. But EPS calculation is a little confusing here. 1.84 now and 1.83 in year ago quarter. So this equity has increased from 108 to 113. Therefore, EPS is increased only slightly. The current market price is around 200. Price earning is around 27. Volume is quite good. Now the year 52-week high or whatever it is from 602 it has come down to 200. So there is a degrowth of 66% in the prices, market prices. So it was a multi-bagger in the previous years, but huge non-bagger in the current year. So how it will perform next year? But of course the loan growth etc. is expected to be okay, but it has got too many subsidiaries. INDIABULLS Consumer Finance is perhaps the best among them. The overall results are good. The scenario for loan growth projected by the company is good. So let us watch every quarterly growth. It has been growing. So let us watch quarterly growth and the type of subsidiaries and the inter-subsidiary transactions only is a little unnerving. I am not very happy with one subsidiary selling to another subsidiary, other subsidiary selling to some other subsidiary. That sort of transactions are too many in the INDIABULLS group, it seems. But overall results are quite good. The scenario for loans growth is also good. India is a growing economy. So whether it is for the individuals or for the MSMEs, the scenario is quite good. But of course, as we have seen, auto loans are receding. Every auto company is reducing their production also and sales. So there are some black spots in the loan growth story, but there are other personal loans. I don't know whether auto loans will pick up in the coming quarters. It's rather difficult to say. The whole economy is supposed to be in a dismal shape. Let us see. But India Bulls is projecting itself as a fast growing company. The latest results are also quite good. Previous quarters results were quite good. Yes, previous quarters results also were quite good. But the price, market price, has come down very drastically. So this is the scenario for India Bulls Ventures. I will be back with you with another good story. Thank you.